silence when they fade. Something's happening here. We're both too scared to say. Fireworks between us, lighting up where we can hide. In the dark between the sparks, I feel you right beside. Your shoulder bumps against mine.